Sup everyone, so as you know, I recently got this fidget spinner and it's so cool. I love it so much and it's like probably the coolest toy I've ever had. And for a while I've actually had this fidget cube, which is also very cool. So today we're going to be doing a comparing video between this thing and this thing. Let's get on with the video. Okay, so let's start off with the fidget cube. The fidget cube is just a little cube kind of thing that has so many colors, and you can there's just so many things to do on it. It's like the twisty thing, the thing, and the thing. It's just really cool. Now, it's good, but some of them, they don't really work because it's kind of hard to get to go around. This one is very frustrating because it goes in the middle kind of. See, and this one is kind of rough when it goes around, but these are fine. These are fine. Most of them are good, but we just have some bad things about it. But now let's go to the fidget spinner. The fidget spinner is, I guess it's better than the fidget cube. Actually, yes, it is by a lot. Even though it might not have many things to do, it's still really cool because you spin it, and then it's just like you have all this weight. It's weird, okay? It just feels really cool and smooth and everything. And it's just, and you can do you can swing it like this too. And you can spin the inside if you want. You can do this on it, which is kind of like on the fidget cube, this thing. So this is like I said, even though this doesn't have many things to do on it, it's so much cooler than all these little things on the fidget cube combined. That's why the fidget spinner is so much better. And they're both about the same price. I mean, the fidget spinner is sometimes more pricey, but most of the time you can get these two for the same price. So, I mean, yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. I know this was a quick video. Sorry about that, but there's gonna be a lot of cool videos coming out soon. So, I mean, yeah. Hope you enjoyed. Bye. Look at this thing. It's so cool. Oh.